It started out I had a good little trip. I saw this little guy on the way in, but I think this was my favorite of the whole trip. This is a kestrel. This little kestrel I saw, and he was scooting around. He was calling out and hunting, and he glanced over at me too. He had a girlfriend. This is his girlfriend, and I didn't really get a good picture of her just because she flew off so quickly. This was the weather, which was absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. You can see a little piece of the Sandias there. Typically wonderful New Mexico views, looking at the mountains. And then here are the little ducks doing what they do. The little ducks were out there scooting around, and at the very end I saw this guy, a Roadrunner. If you look real close, you can definitely see him.